the weather is really clear. The sun is showing up. I slept pretty much out here, and she helped me out for the night.
Việt Nam.
Vietnam. Thank you.
I am Minh.
Bin?
Minh.
Ming.
Việt Nam. Picture.
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 Nice. She asked me where I'm gonna sleep for the night, and I told her that probably I'll go to the Chinese border and sleep out there, pitch my tent. And she's like, no, you sleep out here, no money. Okay.
No.
Oh,
No.
breakfast.
No.
Ah, you already gave me a place. Breakfast.
Không, no. Khi nào thì để về đây. No.
Okay. Come on.
No.
She wouldn't accept the money. I was like, people are so nice. Welcome to Vietnam.
Đây nè.
Bye bye.
Tạm biệt nhá.
Now, I got a ride. Yeah. That's my bike, all set. Back on the roads, folks. What's up, India? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Singh and I'm a solo backpacker. And I've been motorbiking in Vietnam for over a couple of days now. I was just in the last village in the northernmost corner of Vietnam. We checked out the illegal border, or the unknown border, and the market out there. We're again gonna go to the market. We'll check out. We'll make a video on Chinese beer that you get out there. I've already bought it. You have seen it. Well, maybe again gonna buy one more just for the flavor. And yeah, that's about it. Well, post it. How the life goes. For now, we are off to Dongguan. Okay, so we are at the Chinese border. I'm again gonna stop. Okay, so I'm again at the Chinese border out here, the unknown border with Vietnam. So I think it's a daily market. I don't know what time they start, but I think somewhere around 9 or 10 o'clock probably people should be here, selling off these stuff till late in the evening. They're blowing off the crackers. These are Chinese crackers. It's a Chinese Lunar New Year, which almost every Southeast Asian country celebrates. Okay, so the market is not set yet. So this is part of China. Again, you see the Chinese people. Those are the Chinese number plate cars. Caval, you see. Havel. Hawal. You see, it's all in Chinese. liked it. Here you have already seen in my previous video. That's the Chinese village out there. You can go as well. Yeah, we went up pretty much somewhere out there, 3-4 kilometers deep into the Chinese territory. Well, the market is not there, but I got a beer. So let's celebrate the Chinese New Year out here. Taste out the beer, see how it goes. Let's find out a place. I'm already thirsty, so okay. So let's just sit here. Yeah. Looking at the Chinese side. Okay, so Happy New Year. Yep. There it goes. Let's pop the can. Let's see Chinese beer. I don't know what it says. What's the name? Looks like Beta. So we're gonna pop the can. So we're gonna try it out. See how the Chinese Beta is. So Happy New Year, folks. I don't know. This has got a normal taste, not like, you know, any other Heineken or Beta would taste. That's the Chinese side. You're from China? Vietnam? Vietnam? Vietnam. So, he's from Vietnam. And I'm from India. And we both are sitting in China. Chinese beer. It's not so bad. For like roughly 25 rupees for 350 ml of can. It's not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my beer.
Yeah.
No? I don't drink much, but I'm just trying. It's funny how freely you can just sit around here and just, you know, maybe roam around. You see, it's just a fencing line out here, nothing much. It's just one town, village, neighboring. No police. No border police, no visa, no passport. Happy New Year. Bye bye China. Ride on all the way. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna motorbike on this road? Xin chào.